In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change the aspect ratio of your video and repurpose your assets in the Clipchamp video editor. Let's get started. Once you log into Clipchamp, make sure to import your media. By doing that, just simply click on this import media, and once you're ready, drag and drop onto the timeline. And then make sure to deselect the asset by simply clicking on anywhere on your video editor. And then navigate to the floating toolbar and select size. You can choose any option from here. So in this case, I'll select this vertical, the aspect ratio, which is 9:16. And then it doesn't fit to the size, so you have to resize it by yourself. But in this case, if you want to enlarge your asset to fit the vertical, the aspect ratio, simply select the video and then click on this fit and then fill. Boom. And then you can drag your video to wherever you want it to be, like this. And then let's check it out. Yeah, that's it. It's as simple as that. Thank you for watching.